If you're constantly battling mucus and phlegm buildup and searching for a natural remedy to clear your airways and boost your immune system, you're in the right spot. Today I'm going to dive into the science behind a powerful time elixir that can transform your respiratory health. So stick around and discover how each ingredient works wonders for your body and learn how to incorporate this elixir into your daily routine so you can feel better. Excess mucus and phlegm are more than just an annoyance. They can actually harbor bacteria and lead to further complications if not addressed. And when these secretions linger in your respiratory tract, they create an environment where bacteria can thrive, potentially leading to infections or worsening conditions. It is crucial to manage and expel that mucus and that phlegm that's sitting around that respiratory tract so your body can repair and have optimal respiratory health. So let's first begin with thyme, a humble herb, and extraordinary health benefits. The secret lies in thymol, a potent compound that acts as a natural antiseptic and antimicrobial agent. Thymol works by disrupting the cell membranes of bacteria and fungi, effectively neutralizing them. And this action not only supports your immune system, but also helps in preventing infections. Moreover, thymol has expectorant properties, one of my favorites, which means it helps thin and loosen that mucus and that phlegm in that respiratory tract. This makes it so much easier to expel that mucus, providing relief and congestion of those persistent coughs. So by including thyme in your daily routine, you're going to give your body a natural boost in fighting respiratory issues. And what's up is honey, a natural remedy with a wealth of benefits beyond the sweetness. Honey is rich in antioxidants, which plays a crucial role in combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation. This is particularly beneficial for mucous membranes lining your respiratory tract, helping to soothe irritation and calm a sore throat. And honey's natural antibacterial properties aids in healing and preventing infections in the throat as well as the respiratory tract. And honey acts as a natural cough suppressant by coating the throat, reducing the urge to cough. So when you can't go to sleep because of that chronic cough, honey can do miracles for you. And lemon juice is another key player, packed with vitamin C. It's an essential nutrient for immune function. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and supports the production of white blood cells, crucial for fighting infections. The acidity of lemon juice also aids in breaking down mucus, as well as that phlegm, making it easier to expel. This can be particularly beneficial during a cold or flu when mucus production is often increased. And for an extra boost, you want to consider adding some ginger in your elixir. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, which will help soothe your respiratory tract and reduce that swelling. And it contains compounds called gingerols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. And ginger not only supports our respiratory health, but it aids in digestion, it reduces nausea, and it makes it a versatile addition to your health regimen. And one of my favorites is cayenne pepper, a potent spice known for its ability to break down mucus and stimulate sinus drainage, offering relief from congestion. And the active compound in cayenne is capsaicin. It works by thinning mucus. It makes it easier to expel from the respiratory tract. Capsaicin also stimulates the nerves and the nasal passages, promoting increased airflow, helping to clear your blocked sinuses. And this process not only alleviates the discomfort associated with congestion, but it reduces the risk of bacterial infections by keeping the airways clean. So adding a dash of that cayenne pepper to this elixir, which I'm about to tell you, will help you decongest, it will help you feel better, help you sleep, and help you wake up nice and refreshed. And while these ingredients are definitely powerful on their own, but it's crucial to remember the role of hydration. Drinking plenty of water is essential for flushing out those toxins and keeping your mucous membranes moist. Proper hydration helps thin mucus, making it so much easier to expel and reducing the risk of infections as well. So here's how to make this simple, powerful healing elixir to get rid of that phlegm and mucus. You're going to boil 1 cup of water. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme leaves or 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. I like the dried thyme. It's right in your spice rack. And it is optional to add ginger, but I recommend it because it has so many healing medicinal properties. You're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger or a small slice of ginger for that extra kick. And you'll want to let this steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll then stir in 1 teaspoon or a half a teaspoon of honey or your natural sweetener if you need to, and the juice of 1/4 lemon, and a dash or 2 of cayenne pepper. That's where the magic is. And you can enjoy this elixir a few times a day, especially before bed. And when you have all that mucus and phlegm that's keeping you from sleeping, from all that congestion in your upper and lower respiratory tract, feel free to sip on this throughout the days ahead. This will help give you that relief as well as build your immune support. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please, this elixir will definitely help your respiratory tract, and you will definitely feel a difference. And please share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan